Nevada.
Are we going through stadium?
You want to get through stadium? Peachy, that's good. Peachy's a good thing, isn't it?
You guys
Hey,
want to hit
thanks
this
for a
jump?
like, Clint. Appreciate that, brother.
Yo, did you see the G Fuel they just came out with? The fucking Doug is all showing on the stream. It's fucking Sonic the Hedgehog. It's called Peach Rings. That shit sounds delicious.
They need to come out with something that's Jameson and soda water, cause that's fucking delicious.
Yeah, well, that's not giving you G Fuel. Your gameplay goes downhill after that.
No, it
eventually.
doesn't. It actually doesn't. I'm not you when you're taking fucking dabs and then start fucking forgetting
like
what
that.
you're doing.
That's fair. Hey, should we try to do this? Let's try to do the fucking gun. I bet you there's nobody here.
All right, Cody.
I think there's somebody here because this door's open over here.
Be advised. Signs of looting in the area.
I mean, I hear boxes and shit. Going to
I hear
check behind the bar.
footsteps right above me.
Maybe they're doing it.
I think they are, to be honest.
Yeezy, Clint said you're horrible. Yeah, they're right above me.
Yeah, they did it. They got this open. Here, I'm gonna read it off. Nose 3, house 6, nose, house 4.
Where the stairs?
You hear people running?
It's me.
Okay. Nose 3, house 6, nose.
I got a precision
4.
airstrike. Dope.
You guys hear it? That's what.
Nose 3.
Yeah, I'll do it one more time.
I got guys right above me. Hold on.
Nose 3, house 6, nose, house 4.
Nose 3, house 6.
Nose.
Gas is inbound. Marking you
House
safe.
4.
All right, let's go. Oh, they just did.
They
They did
did
it.
it.
Oh my God, we gotta go up.
Wait, what happens? What's going on? What the hell's going on?
Get up to the top floor.
How do you get up there?
Oh, I'm trying to find the fucking stairs, dude.
There's stairs, an elevator, and then there's also rope on the outside of the map.
What's going on? I'm so scared.
They just opened up and got the blueprint. I wonder if we kill them and take it, does it count?
Yeah, if they drop it on the inside. I don't know how to get up there. I'm trying to find
We're
it.
going up,
on
we're going
me.
up, we're going
Right
up.
here.
Right here.
Landing explosive.
Yeah,
Flash out! Tossing a slug.
he jumped.
You think that was him?
Yep, here's the door. Oh, here's the Enigma right here. I just picked it up.
Oh, I just got it.
We got it.
Rifle
Let's
blueprint
go.
unlocked.
Let's go, baby.
What happened?
Go, baby.
What do I do? Should I take it?
Nah, I think it's.
We
trash
got it.
can.
We all got it.
Oh, someone just threw a grenade over here?
Let's go.
Trophy system deployed.
Gas is inbound.
You guys want to try to get this other loadout?
Oh, right here. Down one. I need ya.
One more.
Down. Shit.
Dude, shout out to them picking it up.
Woo. Bitch ass.
Yo, I got a juggernaut, bro.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. I'm gonna
Did you
call.
really?
We gotta call.
I got a red
call in.
access card. Oh, there's another juggernaut right here.
Boys, we gotta get the hell out of here. Oh my God, what? Yo, we just.
Did you take the other juggernaut? Did you
Yeah.
take the other juggernaut?
Yep.
Wait, where'd it go?
And I got a red access card.
Yo, we gotta get the hell out of here.
I don't have the juggernaut anymore.
I got it.
Guys, I can't believe we got the fucking blueprint unlocked all because I called it. I told us to go in there. Shout out to me.
Damn, I just money this shit
Let's
out of this
fucking
person.
go.